Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions. You must be a site collection admin or global admin to delete a site. Once confirmed, back up important content, export lists, download documents, or create a site template so recovery is possible. Now open the Microsoft 365 Admin Portal, go to the Sharepoint Admin Center, and search for the target site by URL or title. Make sure the site is not on hold and that users are notified. This prevents accidental data loss and speeds the deletion process. Once you locate the site, select its row and click Delete in the toolbar or Details pane. This begins the official removal workflow. Before you confirm, check the site URL, owner, and storage metrics so you delete the correct resource. The portal will show a confirmation dialog, and note the recycle bin retention. Make sure you understand that the site moves to the Sharepoint recycle bin for a limited period. If everything matches, accept the prompts. Otherwise, cancel and re-verify to avoid mistakes. After confirming deletion, monitor the admin center for status updates and allow time for propagation across the tenant. Larger sites take longer. If you need to recover, go to the Sharepoint Admin Center Recycle bin within the retention window and restore the site. Make sure you restore the root site collection version. If deletion fails or the site remains, check for preservation hold or e-discovery holds that block removal. Remove those holds or contact your compliance team. One troubleshooting tip: inspect audit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.